Guess who's back? Back again. Me. I don't think I like this shadow. Hold on. Is it still there? Huh. I took my nails off and I didn't feel like putting them back on for this video, so no nails today. Hashtag nail bald. Anywho, the day has come, everyone. I'm famous. I have friends. I received a package in the mail and it's a mystery package. I have no idea what's in it, but it was sent to me by my good friends over at Dancing with Tech, Jonathan and Tangela, so I will link their channel below in the description. Thank you so much for sending me this package, and let's get into this unboxing video. So you could probably see the cup of scissors behind me. I don't know why I have so many pairs of scissors, but let's just cut it open and get my face reaction. I'm so excited. I'm really curious to see what's inside. I can't even, like, I'm concealing my excitement right now. I'm not a very reactive person, I don't think. So I never really get surprised by anything, but I was actually shocked about this. And I told you I don't like to open stuff on camera because I don't want you to see me struggling, but you're gonna see me struggle today because this is a face reaction. Oh. Alright, the box is open. Let's see what happens when I lift the paper. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it. They sent me the Aurora Lights BH Cosmetics palette. I am shook right now. I never expected that's what it would be. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. I've seen this online before, but I was always skeptical about buying it. But the colors in here are so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at these. Oh, I'm blinding you. My setup is crusty today too. But look at the colors in here. I'll include swatches later on in the video, but look at it. Oh my gosh, I just can't. Like, this is such a pretty silver and this like really bright whitish gold up here. I can't wait to use these colors. And they're the baked formula, which is my favorite BH Cosmetics formula. And this is a really, really clear mirror. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I got distracted. But the colors, I don't even know what to say. I'm literally speechless. It was so nice of them to send this to me. I really appreciate it. I love the colors in here so much, and I'm definitely gonna get a lot of use out of this. I'm so tempted to swatch it right now. I'm gonna do it. I want to see what this one looks like. Oh, can you see? It's so nice. I'll insert my swatches. I prefer the lighting in my room better. I'm recording out here today just because. Let's try the silver. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. This is silver, this is ombre. I want to try 24 karat. It's soft. Oh my gosh. The texture, it's so smooth and soft. I'm gonna see if I can like do a dry swatch of these and see what it would look like on my arm. Wait, let me find where's like the best area. Okay. You can't really see the first two in this lighting, but the gold is stunning. Oh, it's mostly on the other side of my arm. That explains a lot. Silver, white, ombre, and gold. Oh my gosh. I wonder how the pink one looks like. How I don't have a makeup wipe out here. This is so convenient. Okay, I'm gonna use my pinky. Let's see one of the pink ones. It's so nice. I think I want to swatch them wet just to see what they would look like. So let's get into the swatches. I'll move on. Well, everyone, we have now reached the end of the video. This was just a quick little unboxing. I wanted to thank my friends over at Dancing with Tech so much for sending me this palette. I really, really like it. The colors are just so perfect. I can definitely see myself getting a lot of use out of them. I'm trying really hard not to blind you guys with the mirror. Oh wait, I'm doing it anyway. Let me go closer. I hope you got a good look at the colors in my swatch clip. But that is it for today's video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye! Is because of the, oh wait, am I really my address? Let me cover it. Because this package was sent to me by my good friends Jonathan and Tangela over at Dancing with Chet. And you know what? I hate it here.